Hello everyone, my name's Gemma and I'm the content editor for Brewers, and today I'm going to show you around this house. So if we start in the hallway, the most obvious place to start, it's a very classic Victorian style hallway, so it's very long and very thin. To balance that out, we've done a two-tone paint effect here, so we have Snows Hill white on the top and Larling at the bottom. We have used Anaglypta Brook just to add some texture, and then with wall mouldings from Aurak that we've painted in the same colour. So now I'm going to take you into the lounge. It is in the depth of summer at the moment, but we need to shoot Christmas content as soon as we can. We wanted to create a lounge that had a really nice, cosy, natural space. The green is everywhere at the moment, and I don't think it's going away anytime soon. One of our best-selling colours is Albany Furl, and then we've also used Carmela Check from the Albany Napoli collection. Not only does this add a focal point, but you're actually adding lots of layers within the room. We have used Albany Durable Matte. It's 500 times stronger than a standard matte emulsion, which makes it perfect for high traffic areas, and it's scrubbable too. So now I'm going to take you into the second reception room. So here we are in the second reception room. Initially we dressed this as a sort of kids play space. After we were finished shooting the kids room, we decided to switch out the wallpaper. So it's a really nice way to redecorate a room without having to completely change the whole scheme. So we still have Wivenhoe on the walls and Storm Blue on the trim. And the Storm Blue adds a nice pop of colour into the space. We changed the kids wallpaper to Modulo from the new Albany Luxury Textures collection. Again, it's nice and neutral without it being too plain, so it just adds another dimension to the room really. So before I take you into the kitchen, I just wanted to show you one of my favourite spaces in the whole house, because we've used one of the best wallpapers in my opinion. So downstairs loos are actually the perfect space to introduce a quirky wallpaper. If you're not quite brave enough to use it in another room, it's just the perfect space to just be a little bit fun really. So we have used Tales of the Manor from the Albany Wonderland collection. So it features lots of interesting animals. My favourite is the little mouse with the sunglasses. It's such a lovely way to decorate a space. So here we are in the kitchen. We decided to use Albany Freshfield on the walls, and we've actually paired it with Albany Ponderosa from the Wonderland collection, which created the most amazing moment in the back. As you can see, it's highlighted beautifully by the arch, and it then takes you onto a little utility space. We wanted to give it a Mediterranean feel. It's really fresh, and actually taking some inspiration from where you've been on holiday is a really nice way to personalise your spaces, and lemons are everywhere at the minute. With the Brewers Colour Match service, if you have a sample of your tile or a sample of your worktop, you can take it into your local Brewers and get it matched perfectly. Now let's head upstairs. We've kind of envisioned it more of an office. We've used Albany Aldham on the walls, so the idea that you walk in, you can exhale, and it's a really nice calming space for you to be able to work in. And we've also created a nice feature wall from our friends at Morris & Co, which would be perfect to put a desk in front of. So now I'm going to take you into the master bedroom. This room benefits from really great proportions. As you can see, we've got two windows here, which lets in lots of natural light. So in order to work with that, we decided to pair it with Albany Seaford, which is a really lovely pastel green. And as you can see behind me, we have used an exclusive Brewers wallpaper from Timothy Willman, which is Covent Garden in lime, which is this gorgeous bird print. Throughout the whole house, we have used our Brewers Made to Measure service, where we have had custom-made shutters fitted. Shutters are perfect for not only controlling the amount of light available within the room, but they're great for adding a little bit of extra privacy too. So as you can see, you really can get everything from Brewers, from wallpaper to paint to wood care and everything in between. Thank you very much for coming to take a look around the house with me, but I need to get back to shooting. See you later!